Hey, you guys, you're watching So Lovely the Hair, and this is your girl Samantha. I will be showing you how to do faux lock braids. Let's get started. Here I am starting off. I box braided her hair and I started wrapping the braiding hair around. I did that for like the first two rows, and then I decided to just go ahead and just continue box braiding her hair, and then go back to do the wraps. Towards the end of the video, I will be showing you how to wrap the hair around the box braids, so enjoy this part. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to show you how I started wrapping. You're going to leave a little of the hair out, and you're going to hold it and start wrapping it around. And you want to do a couple of layers and then start moving down, like on every section, because that's what's going to hold it and make sure that it's not unravel. And when you're done with that, you just add more hair onto it, and then that's how you just keep going. So here you go, guys. This is your faux lock braids. Please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. And please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Later, y'all.